Hey there, Generational Wealth Seeker. It's your boy, John L. Smith, the Generational Wealth Mentor with IWS. And I'm here at it again with number 8 in my 10-part series on Generational Wealth's 10, 20, 30 campaign. That's 10 financial freedom facts to get you from 2020 to 2030 and beyond. So, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, as I just said, this is the 8th video in a 10-part series, and you want to see the rest of the series and anything else I have coming up, hit the subscribe and share button at the bottom so that way we're not hoarding this information. So in my last video, we discussed one of the solutions to our own financial discrepancies, and that solution was cash flow and how it affects your debt, how it affects your credit score, and other financial aspects in your life. In this video here, we're going to discuss one of the other solutions, and that solution is business income. A lot of people tend to stray away from owning their own business because they just feel they aren't ready for it. Well, I'm here to tell you, owning your own business is actually the shortest distance between American worker and generational wealth. So people, we have got to get out there and start our own businesses. The tax codes and tax laws are extremely and heavily biased towards people that own their own business. The government is telling you to go out there and own your own. And I'm here to tell you, if you do not have your own business in today's America, you might as well be a foreigner in your own country. So let's sit here and talk about 5 benefits from owning your own businesses. And this is financial benefits. Number 1, go to your HR department. Get access to your W-4 form. On that form, it's your tax withholding certificate. There's areas on that form that asks you about your own business. Fill it out, turn it in, and boom, anywhere from a $300 to $600 instant pay raise. That's right, instant pay raise per paycheck. Now, these are not numbers I'm just pulling out of the air. These are numbers that have come directly from the IRS. So now that you have an extra $300 to $600 per paycheck, what are you going to do with it? Well, you must remember you're on a financial wealth journey. So we're not going to take that money and go buy rims for the car, buy a new wardrobe, or buy a bigger TV. We're going to take that money and we're going to do what's the second benefit of owning your own business is, and that is we're going to pay off some debt. That's right. You have car notes, you have a mortgage, you have credit cards. Let's pay those off. Or you can actually use it to create an emergency fund, or you can actually use it to do some investments. So let's go ahead and do some positive things with that money. So now that we've paid off some debt, guess what? That leads us directly into the third benefit, and that is your credit score increases. That's right. Once you start paying off a lot of these things, your credit score starts to go up. So that's going to look a lot better to a lot of people. So see how these things are starting to flow together and work together and stuff like that. So we got an instant pay raise. We've paid off some debt. Our credit score's gone up. That leads us straight into our fourth benefit. So your credit score's up. Guess what? You can refinance your mortgage. You can refinance your car. That's going to cause you to actually pay a whole lot less for them. So guess what that increases? That's right, cash flow. Look at it. You got the same amount of money coming in every month, but yet your liabilities are a whole lot less. So that's 4 benefits. And guess what? I'm not done. You got to remember, you're eventually going to become good at running your own business. So you're going to start to get business income. You're going to start to understand the tax laws and tax liabilities a whole lot better, especially if you have your own home-based business. Man, if you have your own home-based business, you can do things like write off 25% of your rent or your mortgage. You can write off your cell phone bill. You can write off your internet bill. You can write off mileage. All these things are possible with a home-based business. And it benefits you tremendously. And that's why I say that the government wants you to own your own business, because they do things like this with the tax laws and tax codes. So if that's something you're interested in owning your own home-based business, text me at 337-255-2322, keyword home-based business. That's right, 337-255-2322, keyword home-based business. And I can show you an opportunity to get all the things I just discussed done, plus create some residual income to help you and your financial future. So once again, it's your boy John L. Smith, the Generational Wealth Mentor with IWS, here to say, when you wake up in the morning, look in the mirror and say, I am awesome, because you deserve it. Peace. I'm out.